Today's class is we're going to be learning how to make our own custom sundaes. For right here, we have vanilla and strawberry ice cream, and oat milk ice cream for those who are ketogenic. Those are toppings like caramel sauce, chocolate syrup, rainbow sprinkles, bananas in case anyone wants to watch the banana splits, and whipped cream. Now let's spin to see who's up first. Shalom, you're up. Now, Shalom, first grab our bowls. Then we grab one banana. Would you like a banana? Alright then. Okay, let's start with the ice cream. Do you prefer strawberry or vanilla? Alright then. First, we grab our ice cream scoop. Scoop out two. Move from each. Okay. Alright, now for our toppings. Would you care? Oh wait, yeah, I put the strawberry. Strawberry, yeah. Now, would you like some whipped cream? Now we'll grab our whipped cream and dump it on our ice cream. Now the sauce. Would you prefer chocolate or caramel?
Caramel.
We drizzle on our sauce on top, like so. No. You put that. Yeah, that. And finally, sprinkle. And look. And after that, we got our first client-made sundae. No, don't tip it like that. And after that, we got our first client sundae.
Yeah, we got a sundae.